Welcome to BTEC Revision. In today's lesson, we're looking at density. By the end, we should be able to calculate the density of objects. Density measures the amount of matter that is contained in space. The equation is density equals mass divided by volume, and the short form is D equals m over V. The units are mass is measured in kilograms. The units for volume is meter cubed, and therefore density is kilograms per meter cubed. Let's look at an example. What is the density of a 5,000 kilogram object that occupies a volume of 250 meters cubed? We'll start by writing down the equation. Density equals mass divided by volume. The mass is 5,000 and the volume is 250. And that would be equal to 20 kilograms per meter cubed. Pause the video here and attempt this question. What is the density of a 100-gram object that occupies a volume of 250 centimeter cubed? The first thing we should know is that the mass is in grams and the volume is in centimeter cubed. So what we could do is we could write down the equation density equals mass divided by volume. And if we just plug these values in, 100 grams and 250 centimeter cubed, that would give us a value. And this gives us a value of 400 times 10 to the negative 3 grams per centimeter cubed. Now, if the question is asking for kilograms per meter cubed, then we should convert these into the correct units. So 100 grams is, if you divide this by 1,000, we get kilograms, which gives us a value of mass equals 0.1 kilograms. And for volume, we want that in meter cubed. So that would be 250. Centi is times 10 to the negative 2. And we've got meter, and all of that in the brackets will be cubed. Therefore, that would give us a value of 250 times 10 to the negative 6. If you remember the indices, meter cubed. Now we can work out density, which is mass divided by volume. And in this case, that's 0.1 kilograms divided by the volume of 250 times 10 to the negative 6 meters cubed, which will give us a value of 400 kilograms per meter cubed. And that's the end of the lesson. If you would like to boost your grades, visit us at btechrevision.com, where there's lots of quiz questions available. See you next lesson.